Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sasi Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can replace the products of Forever Living. In case you find the products defective, then the company provides an opportunity for you to replace those products. You can get new products in lieu of the defective products. So if you um, go through the policy of the company, then you find that the company provides warranty for the satisfaction of the products. Then it also guarantees that the products are free of defects, and it substantially conform to the product specifications. So, but if you are having some defective products and you want to replace those products, then in that case it is subjected to the return of the products is subjected to validation of timely purchase. Like the company gives 30 days for replacement of the products from the date of purchase, from the date of invoice. So you can replace those products within 30 days only. The second condition is that it should be purchased by the FBO, and the same FBO should return the products, not otherwise. Third thing is that in case the products have been sold to the retail customers by the FBO, then FBO should give a written proof for selling the products to retail customers and proof for cancellation of the products, along with the signed receipt for return of products as well as return of funds. So if the FBO fulfill all these requirements, if there is an empty container also, you can return. So if all these requirements are fulfilled, then the defective products will be replaced by the company and you will get the new products. So I hope you have understood. Please go to my description box if you want to contact with me. There is a WhatsApp number and other links to reach out to me so that you will be able to contact with me and know more about the Forever Living company. And there is a free webinar that is live every day on 7 p.m. It is very beneficial for all of you. So please go to description box and try to avail this opportunity. Thank you so much being in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.